What's the meaning of barbecue? Barbecue. Barbecue.
Barbecue. Barbecue. Barbecue is an abbreviation for barbecue, which refers to a method of cooking food using an open flame or hot coals. It is often associated with outdoor gatherings and social events, and is a popular way to cook meat, poultry, and vegetables. The origins of barbecue can be traced back to indigenous tribes in various parts of the world, including Native Americans and Polynesians. In modern times, barbecue has become a beloved culinary tradition in many cultures around the globe, with regional variations in sauces, seasonings, and cooking styles. Whether it's served at a backyard cookout or a fancy restaurant, barbecue remains a staple of delicious, hearty cuisine.